So I forgot to post a video intro and a video outro for the installation of the Advanblack tour pack. It's a few days later. Here's my intro and outro of the installation on the Advanblack Razor tour pack and liner. I mean, this is all the way forward.
No, I go all the way back. I was looking at it.
I mean, it's like,
I like it back.
that's like rubbing up against the freaking thing.
Give it the stretch look. And look how close this is. That's not that bad.
I was gonna say they should make it so you can open these things. This thing's probably not gonna fit though.
We're gonna sacrifice something for style.
I mean, you could put that one back on and just. Hey everybody, back with another video. Today we are installing the Razor Tour Pack from Advanblack on Greg's 2021 Street Glide Special. We're also going to be putting in the pack liners that you can purchase separately from Advanblack. You can also get those stitched in a few different colors. He went with blue, obviously, because his seat's stitched blue. But right here, basically what we're doing is lining up the tour pack on the quick release frame, which has, I think, about an inch and a half of movement or play. He chose to go with the pack all the way back, as far back as it'll go on the bike. And right now we're just putting on some Loctite and putting screws in. The bolts go head up, nut down. I believe the head of the bolt is an Allen key and the nut is a 3/8 inch nut. So now we're just cleaning out the tour pack, prepping it to install the Velcro that comes with the liner. They say you shouldn't have any dust or dirt or anything in there because I think it's 3M Velcro. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. It doesn't really specify in the instructions on where you should put the Velcro. You'll see here where we decided to put the Velcro on the bottom half, basically anywhere there was a difference in angle. And this just makes it so you can remove the liner if you needed to clean it or something, but it also keeps it in place so it's, you know, not flopping around anywhere. So to install the top liner, you actually have to take apart the zip line holder, whatever you want to call that. Because we put the backrest on already, we chose to take the bottom part off. It was only 2 screws just to get the liner on, because the top liner has a hole that'll fit around that top zip line pack. The install on the top liner is the same as the install on the bottom liner. Put as much or as little Velcro as you want on to secure that liner in there.
So for right now, he's just, he only put a couple pieces of Velcro in this because he's still waiting for his backrest. See, this is the standard backrest that came with the tour pack, but he just wanted to see what it looked like, so he put a couple pieces of Velcro in there. That's kind of why it looks a little, you know, floppy or whatever, but yeah, that's pretty much how you install that. You know, over time it'll smooth itself out probably. There you go. Yeah, so that's the Razor Tour Pack on 2021 Street Guide Special. You can see kind of the look, how it looks from right here. You know, it's still pretty big considering, you know, they're calling it the Razor. It's the smallest one they have. I mean, it's pretty proportional to the bags and everything. It's not your king pack, obviously, but it looks pretty good. And again, Advanblack color matches almost all Harley colors.
So yeah, that's the Advanblack Razor Tour Pack with the liners. Oh yeah, subscribe, like, comment down below, subscribe, like, share, check out our Instagram. Yeah. All right, until the next one.